In the heart of Okinawa, there lived a young fisherman named Kaito. Kaito was known for his skillful fishing techniques. However, Kaito was often indecisive. He found it difficult to make decisions, big or small, and this often led to missed opportunities and regrets. One day, Kaito realized that his indecisiveness was affecting his life. He decided to seek guidance to learn how to make better decisions. He remembered the tales of a wise old sensei named Hiroshi, who lived in the serene town of Naha. Kaito decided to visit Hiroshi for advice. Upon reaching Naha, Kaito found Hiroshi in a dojo, a place for martial arts training. Hiroshi was teaching a group of students the art of kendo, a traditional Japanese swordsmanship. Kaito waited for the class to end before approaching Hiroshi. He explained his problem to Hiroshi. "Sensei, I am often indecisive and find it difficult to make decisions. How can I learn to make the right decisions?" Hiroshi listened to Kaito's problem and then said, "Kaito-san, decision-making is like aiming in archery. You need the right balance of focus, intuition, and understanding of your goal." He then proposed a task for Kaito. "You will spend the next month here learning Kyudo, the Japanese art of archery. This will teach you how to make decisions." Kaito was surprised. He never thought that archery could help him make better decisions. However, he trusted Hiroshi and decided to accept the challenge. He began his training the following morning. Kyudo was not just about shooting arrows, it was a discipline that required calmness, focus, and intuition. Kaito learned to quiet his mind, focus on his target, and trust his intuition to release the arrow at the right moment. He learned to make decisions swiftly, confidently, and accurately. With each passing day, Kaito felt a change within himself. He became more confident and precise in his decisions, just like his archery shots. He realized that taking the right decisions required clear understanding of his goal, focus on the task at hand, and trust in his intuition. After a month, Kaito returned to Okinawa. His friends noticed a change in him. He was no longer the indecisive Kaito they knew. He was confident and decisive, just like a seasoned archer. He applied what he learned from Kyudo in his daily life. He made decisions swiftly and confidently, which led to better outcomes. Kaito's story teaches us important lessons. Lesson 1: clear goal. Understand what you want to achieve. This will guide your decisions. Understanding what you want to achieve is paramount to success. A clear goal gives you a destination, a point to aim for, and it guides all your subsequent decisions. Whether it's a career aspiration, a personal development goal, or a specific project target, having a clear understanding of what you want to accomplish can help you map out your journey, allocate your resources, and measure your progress. It provides a framework within which you can make decisions and take actions that align with your objectives. Lesson 2: focus. Concentrate on the task at hand and avoid distractions. Concentration is a vital factor in carrying out any task successfully. In our fast-paced digital world, distractions are abundant and can easily derail your efforts. However, by consciously focusing on the task at hand, you can increase productivity, enhance the quality of your work, and achieve your goals more efficiently. Focus allows you to invest your mental energy in one task or one aspect of a task at a time, thereby reducing errors and enhancing the quality of your outcomes. Lesson 3: trust your intuition. Listen to your inner voice. It often guides you to the right decision. Your inner voice or intuition is an invaluable guide in decision-making. It's the subconscious mind's way of processing all your experiences, knowledge, and insights to guide you towards a decision that aligns with your core values and life experiences. While it's essential to make informed decisions based on facts and data, listening to your intuition can often provide the missing piece of the puzzle, guiding you towards a decision that feels right for you. Lesson 4: practice. Decision-making, like any skill, improves with practice. Just like any other skill, the ability to make good decisions improves with practice. The more decisions you make, the better you get at assessing situations, weighing options, and choosing the path that best aligns with your goals and values. Each decision, whether it leads to success or failure, provides a learning opportunity, helping you refine your decision-making skills over time. Regular practice also builds confidence in your ability to make sound decisions, even under pressure or in complex situations. In our lives, we often face situations where we need to make decisions. Like Kaito, we can learn to make better decisions by understanding our goals, focusing on our tasks, trusting our intuition, and practicing decision-making. Remember, decision-making is not about always making the right decisions, but about learning from our decisions and improving. So, aim your arrow, trust your intuition, and release. You're on your way to better decision-making.